Google DeepMind, where I work, is a really interesting, is a special place. We tend to work on relatively large teams. The AlphaFold team was around 15. And when you have 15 people who are really, really working shoulder to shoulder on the same problem, talking to each other daily, you have to have an organizing principle. It's not just like you can say, oh, well, we'll try and do good things. You really have to be behind a principle. And for us, it was this problem of predicting protein structure is important. And in fact, we'll say that, you can use data from this time period, say before April 2018 was what we used for a lot of the project. And then you can only check your performance on data afterwards. And we will all agree that we, like whatever is best according to that. So we tried to say, we don't know how to solve this problem at this moment. If we knew how to solve this problem, the science would be over. But what we can agree is how to measure progress, and that we are going to try and get even small gains in progress, right? It became very clear pretty early on that, we weren't just one idea was going to jump us from doing nothing to doing everything, that we were going to grind through many small to medium ideas that would actually be progress. And so we kind of oriented ourselves around this. And so we would have many, many people trying whatever idea they think is best, and lots of discussion and lots of just kind of sitting around and guessing and developing our own personal theories of why something works or doesn't work. But at the end, we would measure, and we would measure really well. And that was kind of our organizing principle. That's how we kind of ran as a collaboration and as a team.